5495 Delta. 5495 Delta, roger.
It was Gulf, right?
Gulf, yeah,
Okay.
also.
Arrow
Back to the left
89
side of it.
What's our intentions here?
Arrow, half mile.
South helipad.
27, clear for
Okay. Going to traffic, helicopter 111 Papa Bravo, 7 miles to the west, inbound for the helipad with Gulf.
Number 3 Charlie Tango, taxi to Chuck
Course
Alpha.
fine. Keep your speed up at around 65.
Okay.
Cessna 019er, enter left base runway 27, report 2 miles southeast.
Mesa 427, report to my southeast 109er.
Cessna 2470, Ramona
I
Tower.
don't think you heard me.
Let's make a right 360, so clear your traffic.
Okay, clear on the right.
Helicopter caller Ramona Tower, say again.
Yes, 111 Papa Bravo with the Gulf, and we're inbound for the east helipad. We're south helipad and about 7 miles to the west right now.
Helicopter 111 Papa Bravo, Ramona Tower, make a west arrival for the south helipad, report 2 miles west.
Report 2 miles west.
We'll report 2 miles west, 111 Papa Bravo.
So we turned off to the right just a little bit.
Ramona Tower, Sky
See that water tank or that white tank on the hilltop? Just fly directly towards it.
With information call.
Good. And then stay right here at 2,500.
Ramona Tower, ID. ID.
Good. Go ahead and speed up a little bit for me. Like speed up to 75 if able.
Echo traffic at 1 o'clock a mile, also eastbound, altitude indicates 3,200 is a Cessna.
So you need a tiny bit of left side click, a tiny bit of left pedal right
Right
side.
traffic for runway 27 and
A little bit smaller.
Traffic on
There you go.
reported being the tower, 4 Tango Echo.
And this, you just stamp on the pedals a little bit, like a cha-cha. This is a good, like when it's turbulent like this, and that's how fast you're going to have to be for the hover as well.
457, southeast departure approved. Roger, southeast departure approved, 457.
Good. Good, keeping lined up with the tank.
189er approach, request touch and go. Aircraft standby. Arrow 89 X-ray, extend your upwind, I'll call you crosswind.
And we want
For
75.
019.
I'm sorry?
And we want 75 too, right?
Yeah, if you can. If it's a little too bumpy, 70 is your maneuvering speed.
Okay, yeah, it's
Clear touch and go back left traffic 2119.
fight me a little.
Good.
Arrow 89 X-ray.
So do you see that long road pointed towards the airport? That's what we're going to try to be over for noise abatement.
The dirt right.
Dog 14 Echo.
Turn left about 5, 10 degrees. Well, 10, 15 degrees.
Traffic, 4 Tango Echo.
Good.
Ramona Tower, Cessna 2780, on RNAB 189er approach, request speed. Cessna 2470, Ramona Tower.
So we're going to hold 2,500 until we're over that horizontal road, and then we're going to start descending.
Okay.
We're going to hold, it's not going to be linear. We're going to only descend about 100 feet at first, and then when the terrain drops, we'll drop with it.
Okay.
We want to drop to 1,900 before we hit that road. And I'll tell you where 2 miles east.
Okay.
2 miles west is.
2706.
Good. So you're going to maintain your airspeed when you descend.
Okay.
Good. A little bit of left side click. That's good. That's more lined up with the road.
Okay.
All right. So start to lower the collective, maybe like 1 inch of manifold pressure.
Okay.
Good. And more left side click. There you go. Kind of hold it in. Like, I'll help you stabilize a little bit.
Okay.
And then just try to maintain.
Okay.
Yep. Try to have both pedals on the same spot of your feet. There you go.
Okay. Our target altitude?
1,900 by the time you're at that road, so horizontal road. So this is good. This is a nice, appropriate rate of descent. Maintain like at least 300-400 feet from. And you would say helicopter 1 Papa.
Helicopter 1 Papa Bravo, south helipad clear to land, left close traffic approved, prevailing control via the letter agreement.
111 Papa Bravo, clear to land, left close traffic.
That should be right traffic.
Did say left, though, didn't he?
Tower, helicopter 1 Papa Bravo. What runway is in use again?
We are runway 27. Do you have the current ATIS?
On Gulf, It sounded like runway 9er was in use.
No, we're on Atis Hotel. Wind variable at 4 knots. Altimeter 3024, runway 27.
Copy. 1 Papa Bravo. So it changed, like literally between when we listened to it and now. I'm glad we asked.
Yeah, we're down to 1,900 still, right?
Yep, keep on coming down. And we're going to come down to about 1750 for our downwind traffic pattern. And I'll take you through this. So come to the right a tiny bit. You want to line yourself up with the right edge of those eucalyptus trees.
Okay.
And left hand can relax, reach around and push the trim knob down.
Okay.
Because you don't want that up when you're trying to hover later. So what we're going to do is we're going to do little traffic patterns where you slow down to just a tiny bit above ETL. I wanted you to be able to do right traffic. Ramona Tower, helicopter 1 Pop Bravo here again. Is there any way we could transition to the north side and work taxiway Alpha?
Helicopter 1 Papa Bravo, land on South Hilo pad and hold. I'll get you across the runway 27 to taxi Alpha.
1 Papa Bravo, roger, thank you. Yeah, because when I heard the Golf, I was all like, I want you to be able to do right traffic because it's better. So here's our normal approach.
Okay,
You're looking over at the H. Yes, just stay with me.
Okay.
Good grip and stay with me.
Helicopter 1 Papa Bravo, you got the arrow on runway 27 in sight?
Affirmative, 1 Papa Bravo.
Roger. Helicopter 1 Papa Bravo, you can proceed behind the arrow to taxiway Alpha. Clear to land, right close traffic approved per and control of the letter group.
Taxiway Alpha, clear to land, right traffic out of the way.
I didn't understand very much what it said.
Yeah. These, what their standard verbiage is you're clear to land or clear for the option or something. Clear to land doesn't make sense to me because, you know, we're going to continuously work in closed traffic.
Right.
But it's, you are cleared for whatever. Preventative control, that means we're responsible for our own separation per the letter of agreement. So right track, you know, they're like cleared for the option, what kind of traffic they want you to make, and what's the letter of agreement. So take a look at the intersection right in front of us, at the beam the compass rose. This is what a normal approach should look like.
Scout 4 Tango Echo, you're
So, I'm going to hop out, I'm going to set it in the middle, and then I'm going to hop out, and I'm going to draw some lines on the bubble, so that you can kind of understand what the approach should look like.
System 780, maintain VFR, main clear of Claudia Bravo airspace, contact hotel approach 125.3, good day.
We're going to roll down to 75, put the friction on.
Okay.
I'm going to lock on the carb heat.
You want me to just guard that?
780, 125.3.
Go right at 75 or so.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, so I'm drawing lines to beam the yaw strings, and a beam the compass, and then sort of a beam the top of here. And then tell me, where does the yellow line at the farthest end of the taxiway intersect? Is it about here?
Yeah, right about there. Maybe a little higher. Right about there.
Well, not where it intersects, but like vertically.
Oh, to my right.
This
So,
side?
a little bit more. Right about there.
Okay. How about here? Where does it intersect, the yellow line?
Yeah, right about here.
Okay. And down here?
Right about there. Yep.
So right about here?
Yep.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do traffic patterns where, I'll show you, where we're going to just slow down to whatever you can comfortably hold. If you can slow down to a full hover, we'll do that. So cyclic friction's off, collective friction's off.
Helicopter 2880 Tango, Ramona Tower, taxi
Get on control.
request.
So we're going to come on up to hover.
Okay.
And those lines, those vertical lines, later on when you're doing pickups and set downs, try to remember, let me start recording.